Wednesday, April 13th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Hump Day Wednesday to get us over the hump. And boy, we've had a couple of nice days in a row.
Yes, so we are going to be seeing warmer weather once again today and tomorrow. Highs are going to be in the low 70s, but scattered thunderstorms are definitely possible this afternoon, but still very, very warm.
Yeah, we like the warm temperature, especially this early in the morning when we're coming in.
Yes, yes. So it already right here is in the 40s right now, so it does feel kind of nice outside.
Springtime.
Yes, so let's take a look right now at the temperatures for today. A lot of us are in the 30s to 40s this morning, but we are going to see a warm up today, looking to reach the 70s by later on this afternoon around 3 or 4 p.m. And we are also looking to see some scattered thunderstorms moving through as a warm front approaches us. We are dry this morning on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is a system just to the west of us attached to a warm front that is slowly approaching us. So as this warm front approaches us, we are going to be seeing that warmer weather and the possibility of a few scattered thunderstorms this afternoon. Same thing goes for tomorrow. Scattered thunderstorms are possible for today and tomorrow afternoon. Warming up for both days, we are going to reach the low 70s for today and for tomorrow. But after the warm front moves through, a cold front will move through tomorrow, and it will cool down for the weekend. We are looking at temperatures back into the 50s and even the 40s on Easter Sunday. But for today, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies. Scattered thunderstorms are possible here this afternoon. Highs are going to be in the low 70s, and I will be tracking out these thunderstorms coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Hours after being arrested for his role.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are already waking up pretty mild this morning, but we will be seeing temperatures rise to the low 70s today. So let's take a look at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Right now, we are seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Our temperatures are ranging in the 30s to 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry here this morning and are expected to remain dry until we head into the later afternoon hours. We are just going to be seeing an increase in cloud cover coming in from the west due to this warm front that is approaching us attached to this low pressure system. So along this warm front as it approaches us, there is a chance to see a couple scattered thunderstorms possible here later on this afternoon into the early evening hours. And the same thing goes for tomorrow. There is a chance to see some scattered thunderstorms possible as the cold front approaches us from this low pressure system. So right now we are in the 30s to 40s. We have 38 degrees in Big Moose, 41 degrees in Whitesboro, and 42 degrees in West Berlin. Looking to the south, we have 34 degrees in Hamilton and 31 degrees in Sherburne. So it is a little bit cooler down south this morning, rather in the Mohawk Valley. So we are looking to remain dry until this afternoon. Then the chance of rain does come in. It does look like we are going to be seeing some scattered showers and possibly a few scattered thunderstorms heading into the later afternoon and evening hours. Same thing goes for Thursday. There is the chance to see some scattered thunderstorms earlier on in the afternoon than today, and then we will drop down to a low chance of rain Thursday evening, and we will be dry for Friday. So we are under a marginal risk for scattered severe thunderstorms here this afternoon for our whole viewing area. This could produce high winds at times. The chance of flooding, hail, tornadoes very, very low, but once again, if you are outside at all this afternoon, just keep an eye out on the sky. We could be seeing some thunderstorms. So let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. We are seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies this morning. Temperatures ranging in the 30s to 40s. We will start to see some scattered showers here earlier on in the afternoon as our highs reach the low 70s and those breezy conditions pick up. Scattered thunderstorms are definitely possible, and as we head into tomorrow, we will continue to see some scattered showers. Overnight lows tonight will only be in the mid-50s. Heading into tomorrow early afternoon, once again, the chance for some scattered thunderstorms does pass through, and then we will be drying out as we head into Friday. It looks to be mostly sunny on Friday, a little bit cooler because that cold front pushed through. We will only be seeing highs in the lower to mid-60s for the day on Friday. So for today, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. The chance for some scattered thunderstorms comes in later on this afternoon into the early evening hours. Highs will reach the low 70s later this afternoon. Then we will be seeing some scattered rain showers tonight with a low just in the mid-50s. So we are going to be seeing the chance for scattered thunderstorms remain for tomorrow, highs in the low 70s. We will drop into the low 60s for Friday, seeing mostly sunny skies. Rain showers come in for Saturday, a little bit cooler, and cool on Easter Sunday, but it does look to remain dry. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Comedian and actor.
We're saying good morning to Prospect and all of the greater Utica region. We are tracking a few isolated showers and thunderstorms possible here this afternoon and evening. And the same thing goes for tomorrow. We are tracking some scattered thunderstorms earlier on in the afternoon as the cold front moves through. Now, after the cold front moves through, we will be dry and a little bit cooler on Saturday, with some scattered showers returning for a cool day on Saturday. So if you are planning on going outside at all for the next couple of days, here is the allergy report. Today, allergens are at a medium level, but as we head into tomorrow and Friday towards the end of the week, it is going to get pretty high. The highest allergens right now are trees, so maple, elm, and juniper. So spring is finally here, and the allergies have returned with it. We are going to be getting cool within the next week, so this is 6-a-day temperature outlook. Our temperatures look to be below average as we head into the end of April, so enjoy this warm weather while we have it. I'll have a look at your commute forecasts coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We have a few traffic alerts. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Wednesday morning to get us all started. And for the folks who haven't been out yet, it's a rather nice springtime morning here in April.
Yes, and we are going to be warming up today to the low 70s later on this afternoon, but possibly seeing a few scattered thunderstorms. So, I mean, it is spring.
Yeah, you did say 70s, right?
Yes.
Wow.
That feels like summer.
Yeah, feels good.
So let's take a look at the temperatures for today. We are in the 30s to 40s this morning, looking to rise to the upper 50s, low 60s by noon, and then later on this afternoon reach the low 70s. We are dry at this point on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is a system just to the west of us. A warm front is approaching us, and along this warm front we could be seeing some scattered thunderstorms later on here this afternoon. So scattered thunderstorms are possible today, and behind the warm front there is a cold front, so we could be seeing some more scattered thunderstorms tomorrow as the cold front passes through. We are warming up for these 2 days. We will be in the low 70s, but as that cold front passes through tomorrow, we will start to cool down in the 50s for Friday, Saturday, and even the 40s for Easter Sunday. So for today, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies. Expect a chance for a few scattered thunderstorms. Highs are going to be in the low 70s, and I will be tracking out your full day coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up this morning with our temperatures in the 30s to 40s, but we are looking to rise to the low 70s for the high today. So let's take a look now at the CAVV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies this morning, and we are expecting to see mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. Once again, highs reaching in the low 70s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry across all of central New York right now, and we do look to remain dry for most of the day, but we are going to be seeing an increase in cloud cover coming in from the west, as well as the possibility of a few scattered thunderstorms. So there is this low pressure system out west, this warm front attached to it, so as it moves through, possibility of seeing a few scattered thunderstorms later on this evening, and then tomorrow as the cold front approaches us, there is another possibility to see a few scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon before the warm temperature breaks, and we will cool down after that. But this morning we are in the 30s to 40s. We have 36 degrees in Dowdesville, 40 degrees in Westmoreland and Whitesboro. Looking to the south, a little bit cooler than up north in the Mohawk Valley. We have 31 degrees in Sherburne and 32 degrees in Norwich. So we are looking to remain dry for most of the morning into the afternoon. But then the possibility to scattered goes up as we reach the later evening hours and kind of the overnight hours. We will continue to see some scattered showers, possibly some scattered thunderstorms as we head into the early afternoon hours of tomorrow. And then we look to dry out tomorrow evening, and as we head into Friday, we will remain dry. So they put us under a marginal risk for scattered thunderstorms here this afternoon, later on, kind of into the evening hours. High winds could be possible at this time. Flooding, hail, tornadoes, very, very low chance of that. But just keep in mind, if you are going to be outside later on this afternoon into the evening hours, just keep an eye out on the sky. So we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies moving in here this morning. Temperatures will rise to the low 60s by noon, and then later on this afternoon, we will reach the low 70s. Kind of a breeze starts to pick up as well, and the possibility of a few light scattered thunderstorm is still there. Heading into tomorrow, we will see scattered showers in the morning. Temperature remains in the mid-50s overnight, and then the possibility of scattered thunderstorms comes back in the early afternoon hours before we clear out for Friday. So heading into Friday, a little bit cooler because a warm front or a cold front did move through, and then we will be seeing temperatures just in the low 60s on Friday rather than the low 70s like today and tomorrow. So for today, we will be seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. The chance for scattered thunderstorms comes in later on this evening, and then we will be seeing scattered showers overnight with a low in the mid-50s. So scattered thunderstorms are possible today, tomorrow, highs in the low 70s, cooling down for a sunny day on Friday, cooling down for the weekend with possible showers on Saturday, and we are dry for Easter Sunday, but it does look kind of cool with temperatures in the mid-40s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now that the state legislature.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing high temperatures today, near 70 and in the low 70s for a lot of us. So in the North Country, we are going to see temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, near 70. In the Mohawk Valley, we will be in the low 70s today, so feeling a lot more like summer than spring. In the Southern Valleys, we are going to be in the upper 60s today, temperature-wise. It is going to be breezy throughout the day, especially later on in the afternoon as the warm front moves through. Tomorrow it is going to be windy because there is going to be a cold front closely following that is going to bring some windy conditions, and then we will remain breezy as we head into Friday, Saturday, and for the weekend. So for Easter Sunday, it is looking like the coldest day of the week. We are only going to be seeing high temperatures in the mid-40s. It is going to be cool, mostly cloudy, and it is going to be kind of breezy with winds up to 10 to 15 miles per hour. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to the latest in meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us here on this Wednesday morning to just help us all plan our day ahead. And I know the walkers definitely had a good day yesterday. How about today?
So we are going to be seeing high temperatures reach the low 70s today, and it is going to remain dry for most of the day, so it's going to feel very, very warm outside.
Wow, good for us.
Yes, good for us. There is just a possibility of a few scattered thunderstorms later on this evening, but throughout most of the day, it should be dry.
Yeah, it's a great feeling this springtime for sure.
I know, yes. So let's take a look at the temperatures right now. A lot of us are seeing temperatures in the 40s. Down south, a little bit cooler in the 30s here this morning, but we are looking to rise to the low 70s, even near 70 for most of us for the high temperature today. That will happen later on this afternoon, so it is going to be very warm outside, feeling a lot like summer. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry this morning, but we are tracking a low pressure system that is just to the west of us, attached to a warm front. So as this warm front moves through, the possibility to seeing a few scattered thunderstorms is there later on this afternoon. So scattered thunderstorms are possible for today and for tomorrow as well, because after the warm front moves through, there will be a cold front moving through that could also bring some scattered thunderstorms tomorrow. We are warming up for today and tomorrow. High temperatures will be in the low 70s. And as the cold front moves through tomorrow, we will be seeing cooler weather. We are cooling down for the weekend. Highs in the 50s on Saturday and just in the 40s for Easter Sunday. But for today, we will remain dry for the morning and afternoon, mostly cloudy skies. Possible thunderstorms as we head into the evening, highs in the low 70s, and I will be tracking out your full day coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Hours after being arrested.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up this morning pretty chilly, but we do look to rise to the low 70s for the high temperature today. So let's take a look now at our CAVV tower camera. We are seeing an increase in cloud cover here this morning. We will continue to see those clouds come in for mostly cloudy skies and possibly a few scattered showers and thunderstorms later on. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions right now across across our viewing area. But once again, there is the possibility to see a few scattered showers and some scattered thunderstorms as a warm front approaches us. So we are going to continue to see an increase in cloud cover coming in from the west. There is a low pressure system out west and a warm front that is kind of lingering over our area right now. So along this warm front, the possibility to seeing a few scattered showers and a few scattered thunderstorms comes in for the later afternoon hours, possibly seeing a few scattered showers here this morning. Tomorrow, that cold front will approach us, and that will bring some more scattered showers and possibly some scattered thunderstorms. And then after that, our temperature will break. Today and tomorrow, we will be in the low 70s for the high because of that warm front. But temperatures this morning are pretty chilly. We are in the 30s to 40s. We have 39 degrees in Old Forge, 38 degrees in New Hartford, and 35 degrees in Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 34 degrees in Cooperstown, 44 degrees in Westford, and 31 degrees in Evanston this morning. So we do look to remain dry throughout the morning, but as we head into the afternoon, the possibility of some scattered showers comes in, and later on this evening, there is the possibility of seeing a few scattered thunderstorms. We will be seeing scattered showers throughout the overnight hours, and scattered thunderstorms are possible as we head into later morning, early afternoon hours of tomorrow, before the chance of rain does drop down to low for the rest of the day tomorrow and Friday. So we are put under a marginal risk for the possibility of some scattered thunderstorms for today. High winds could also be associated with that. So if you are going to be outside later on this afternoon, just keep an eye out on the sky. We will continue to see an increase in clouds here this morning. Our temperatures will continue to rise. Scattered showers are possible as we head into the afternoon, as well as a few scattered thunderstorms and breezy conditions. Highs will be in the low 70s. Tonight, scattered showers will kind of remain in the area, lows only dropping to the mid-50s. And for tomorrow, the possibility once again of a few scattered thunderstorms comes in the early afternoon hours. We are totally clearing out as we head into Friday, cooling down as well. We will see high temperatures on Friday in the low 60s rather than the low 70s. So for today, we are going to be seeing a mix of some sun and some clouds. The possibility of a few scattered showers and storms comes in later on. Highs in the low 70s, and scattered showers remain overnight with a low in the mid-50s. So once again, scattered showers and storms are possible tomorrow, highs in the low 70s, cooling down and drying out for Friday. Rain comes back in on Saturday, and we are cool for Easter Sunday, highs just in the mid-40s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Comedian and actor Gilbert Gottfried.
And good morning to prospects in all of the greater Utica region. It is possible to see an isolated shower or thunderstorm here today, with scattered thunderstorms remaining in the forecast for tomorrow as a low pressure system moves through. We will dry out on Friday, with some scattered showers moving back in on Saturday as we cool down on Friday and Saturday. So if you were going to spend some time outside over the next couple of days, allergens are at a medium level for today, and they will get high for tomorrow and Friday as we head into the end of the week. The highest allergens right now are trees, so maple, elm, and juniper. So keep that in mind when going outside. Spring is here, so the allergies are back. And make sure you enjoy the warm weather while we have it. We will be in the 70s for today and tomorrow, but 6 to 10 days from now, it does look like we are going to be below average in temperature again across our whole viewing area. So it is going to get a little bit chilly as we head into the end of April. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We do have a few traffic alerts. Liberator meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now to help us all plan our Wednesday. And if it's anything like the last couple of days, we are in store for another nice day here in spring.
So we are going to be seeing a couple scattered showers and thunderstorms possible later on in the afternoon. Scattered showers this morning, but very, very warm, warmer than yesterday, day before, highs in the low 70s.
Wow, look at that, 74, 75 around 4 this afternoon.
Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. This is just a prediction, but yeah, low 70s,
wow.
So it's going to feel a lot more like summer and spring.
Good for us.
Yeah, so let's take a look at the temperatures right now. A lot of us are in the 30s and low 40s here this morning. We will look to reach the low 60s by noon and then climb up to the low 70s by later on this afternoon, early evening hours. So it is going to be a warm day today. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry right now, but there is a possibility to see a passing shower or two here this morning. And then I'm going to zoom out. There is a low pressure system just to our west. So there also is the possibility to see a few scattered thunderstorms coming in later on this evening. So scattered thunderstorms can be possible today and tomorrow as this low pressure system moves towards us. We are warming up for today and tomorrow. Highs will be in the low 70s. And then after that, we are cooling down for the weekend because a cold front will move through. That will drop our temperature. We will be in the 50s on Saturday and in the 40s on Easter Sunday. So for today, expect mostly cloudy skies, a passing shower possible, and diffuse scattered thunderstorms are possible later on. Highs in the low 70s. And I will be tracking out all this rain coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Political expert.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up a bit chilly this morning, but we do look to rise to the low 70s today with the possibility of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. So let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera. It was clear earlier, but we are seeing an increase in cloud cover here this morning coming in from the west, and we are also seeing our temperature increase. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing dry conditions across all of our viewing area right now. We are seeing an increase in cloud cover once again coming in from the west. We will be seeing mostly cloudy skies throughout the day, a few peaks of sunshine here and there, and once again the possibility of some scattered showers and possible thunderstorms later on this evening. This is due to this warm front that is going to be moving through. So along this warm front, we do get the possibility of a few showers and possible thunderstorms as our temperatures rise to the low 70s. Now come tomorrow, this cold front is going to be approaching us from this system, so we'll be in the low 70s throughout the day, with when this cold front approaches, the possibility of a few scattered thunderstorms once again, and then after it moves through, our temperatures will drop back down into the 50s. It is a bit chilly this morning. Here are some Skywatcher reports. We have 36 degrees in Oppenheim and in Clinton, 38 degrees in New Hartford, a little bit chillier down south. We have 34 in Cooperstown, 30 degrees in Morris, and 31 degrees in Evanston this morning, but we do look to rise to the low 70s today, going to be very, very warm. So we do have the chance of some scattered showers here this morning and this afternoon, possibly a few thunderstorms, but as we head into the overnight hours, really get the chance to see a few scattered showers. Heading into tomorrow, there is the possibility of a few thunderstorms once again as that cold front moves through, but then after that cold front moves through, we will dry out and cool down, and we will not see any chance of precipitation on Friday. So we are under marginal risk today for some scattered thunderstorms for all of our viewing area. High winds could also be a problem as well as they are moving through. So if you are going to be outside at all today, just make sure you keep an eye out on the sky. So we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy conditions this morning. Our temperatures will continue to rise. We will reach the 60s by noon and then the low 70s by later on this afternoon. The slight possibility of a few thunderstorms and some scattered showers, along with breezy conditions. Tonight, seeing some more scattered showers. Lows only fall into the mid-50s. And for tomorrow, we do see a mix of sun and clouds, possibly a few thunderstorms passing through early afternoon. And then into the evening, we will dry out and cool down. Temperatures dropping into the 30s overnight into Friday. But we do look to remain clear, mostly sunny on Friday. Highs are going to be in the low 60s. So for today, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies. A few rain showers are possible, and the possibility of scattered thunderstorms are there. Highs in the low 70s, and tonight, scattered showers, once again, lows in just the mid-50s. So scattered showers and storms are possible once again tomorrow. Highs in the low 70s. Cooling down and drying out for Friday. Cooling down even more for some rain showers on Saturday, and the coldest day of the week looks to be Easter Sunday. Highs in the mid-40s. Back to you, Gary.
Anna, thanks. Now that the state legislature has...
Welcome back. We are going to be very warm today. High temperatures in the North Country are going to be in the upper 60s. In the Mohawk Valley, we will reach at least 70. The low 70s look to be the high temperature. And in the Southern Valleys, we are going to be in the upper 60s once again. It is also going to be breezy outside today as this low pressure system approaches us. And as the cold front moves through tomorrow, it is going to get a bit windy. The breeze looks to remain for Friday and for Saturday. Now for Easter on Sunday, it does look to be the coldest day of the week. High temperatures are only going to be in the mid-40s, and it is going to be mostly cloudy with winds at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to the latest. It's 7 a.m. It's Wednesday, April 13th already. Boy, this month is flying. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help us all plan our Wednesday ahead. And Hannah, boy, what a nice couple of days we've had, and Seems like we're going to have another today, except for maybe some thunderstorms, right?
Yes, so we could be seeing a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, nothing too severe, but temperatures are going to be in the low 70s for the high, so very, very warm outside.
Wow, even
Yes.
maybe mid-70s almost.
Yes, almost.
Wow.
I know, it's going to feel like summer.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yes, so let's take a look if you are heading outside this morning. Temperatures are in the 30s to 40s with mostly cloudy skies, but in the afternoon we will reach near 70. A passing thunderstorm is possible, as well as a passing shower. So for today, scattered showers, scattered thunderstorm is possible, high in the low 70s. And tonight, once again, scattered thunderstorms, scattered showers are possible, a low in the mid 50s. Back to you, Gary.
Hours after being arrested for his role in an alleged bribery scheme on Tuesday, New York Lieutenant Governor Brian Benson.
Welcome back. Here's a look at our Marabato Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We did see clear skies here this morning, but then clouds have moved in from the west. We will be seeing mostly cloudy skies kind of throughout the day today, with a few scattered showers and possible scattered thunderstorms. But there are going to be breaks in these showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. So if you were heading outside, spring is finally here. The allergens have come back. Allergies are at a medium level for today. They will get high for tomorrow and Friday. The highest allergens right now are trees, so maple, elm, and juniper. So for today, we do have a high in the low 70s, scattered showers and possible scattered thunderstorms. We are going to be seeing breezy conditions. And tonight, we will drop into the low 50s. Once again, scattered showers are possible throughout the night. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We do have a few traffic alerts.
Welcome back. We are tracking dry conditions right now, but the possibility of a passing shower or thunderstorm is in the forecast for today. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, we are dry, but there is a low pressure system to the west of us that could bring us some scattered showers and possible thunderstorms because we are going to be very, very warm. Although we are chilly this morning, we will rise to the low 70s for the high temperature today. So that is warm enough to cause some scattered thunderstorms. Scattered thunderstorms can be expected today and tomorrow as well. We are warming up for the next 2 days. We will be in the 70s for today and tomorrow. And then after tomorrow, a cold front will pass through. We will cool down for the weekend into the 50s and into the 40s. So for Easter on Easter Sunday, it is going to be the coldest day of the week. High temperatures will only be in the mid 40s, mostly cloudy and cool with breezy conditions. But as for today, scattered showers are possible as well as scattered thunderstorms, highs in the low 70s. And I will be tracking this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Labor Department.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking mostly cloudy skies this morning, and there is the possibility today for a passing shower or thunderstorm. So let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We were clear earlier on in the morning, but now we did see the clouds come in from the west. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still dry across all our viewing area, but we are tracking an increase in cloud cover coming in from the west. This is due to this low pressure system and this warm front, so there is the possibility to see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms along this warm front. And then the cold front will move through tomorrow, once again seeing the few possibilities of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then after it moves through, our temperature will drop. It is going to be very warm for today and tomorrow, highs in the low 70s. So the chance of some scattered showers comes in later on this evening and then into the overnight hours, possible thunderstorms as well. We will also see some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the late morning, early afternoon hours of tomorrow as that cold front moves through. But then by tomorrow, late afternoon, early evening, we will see dry conditions and we will remain dry and mostly sunny for Friday. So we are under a marginal risk across our whole viewing area for some scattered thunderstorms here this afternoon. High winds could also be an issue as well. So if you are going to be outside at all, just make sure you keep an eye out on the sky. Scattered showers and scattered thunderstorms are definitely possible because we are going to get very warm today. So let's take a look at everything on our SkyCast. Mostly cloudy skies this morning, a bit chilly, high temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s right now. We will see a mix of sun and clouds this afternoon. A passing shower, a passing thunderstorm or two is possible as we head into the late afternoon and evening hours. Highs are going to reach the low 70s with breezy conditions. Overnight tonight, scattered showers are still remaining in the area. Lows are only going to be in the mid 50s, so it is going to be a very mild night once once again. Heading into tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, and then passing shower or thunderstorm definitely possible as that cold front moves through. Now, once that cold front moves through, our temperatures will drop from the low 70s to the mid 50s, and then we will clear out and cool down for Friday. Friday, it looks to be mostly sunny throughout most of the day, high temperatures in the low 60s. But for today, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies. Passing shower, passing thunderstorm or two is possible, highs in the low 70s. And tonight, we will continue to see scattered showers and a possible thunderstorm with a low in the mid 50s. So tomorrow, once again, there is the chance for a scattered thunderstorm or two, highs in the low 70s. We are cooling down and drying out for Friday, highs in the low 60s. Rain returns on Saturday with highs just near 50, and the coldest day of the week looks to be on Easter Sunday, highs in the mid 40s.
Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans with some good news and a little bit of bad news, possibly, right?
Yes, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies right now, a few passing showers, and temperatures are rising. We are in the mid to upper 50s at this point. So let's take a look at our Mesonet cameras across central New York. We are seeing more clouds than sun. We are seeing a lot of overcast skies across the Mohawk Valley here. And once again, a few passing showers. Here's the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Few passing showers, but otherwise dry at this point. There are a line of thunderstorms kind of moving in from the southwest that we are keeping an eye on. So once again, it still is possible to see an isolated thunderstorm or two later on this evening. So scattered thunderstorms are possible this evening and tomorrow afternoon, as well as another cold front approaches us. But we are warming up for today and tomorrow. We will be near 70 or in the low 70s for the high temperature. And after tomorrow, we will cool down for the weekend. Highs just in the 50s on Saturdays and in the 40s for Easter Sunday. So for today, we are mostly cloudy. An isolated thunderstorm or shower is possible. Highs in the low 70s. And I will have your Easter forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We do have a few traffic alerts.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies outside. Temperatures are in the 50s, but we are looking to rise to the low 70s for the high today. So let's take a look at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Mostly cloudy and overcast skies down in Oneonta. Same thing here in the Mohawk Valley. There is a possibility you could be seeing an isolated shower or an isolated thunderstorm here this afternoon into this evening. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking not really anything, just a few isolated showers kind of moving through the Mohawk Valley right now. But there is a possibility to see a few isolated thunderstorms as we head into the evening hours. But all of us are seeing mostly cloudy skies and breezy conditions. So I'm going to zoom out on the radar and satellite. There is a low pressure system that is just to the west of us attached with this warm front. So this warm front is kind of making its way through our area. That is why it is getting so warm today. And this brings in the possibility of a few isolated thunderstorms this evening. Now, come tomorrow, this cold front is going to be moving through, so we will reach the 70s once again around noon tomorrow, and then that cold front will move through, drop our temperature, and bring in the possibility of some more isolated thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. We are already in the 50s here this noon. We have 54 degrees in Old Forge, 53 degrees in Mohawk, and 59 degrees in Cassville. Once again, we are looking to rise to the low 70s for the high temperature today. So up in the North Country, we're looking at the mid 60s for the high temperature. In the Mohawk Valley, upper 60s, almost near 70, low 70s for some of us. And down in the Southern Valleys, we're looking at low 70s for the high temperature for today. Now, heading into this weekend, it is going to cool down. On Saturday, we will be in just the low 50s for the high temperature. And on Easter Sunday, it is looking cool and cloudy, but it does look dry as of right now. High temperatures will be in the mid 40s with a breezy conditions. I know this is still kind of far out, but this is just a general idea of what Easter Sunday is going to look like if you do have any plans. So a passing shower, a passing storm is definitely possible here this afternoon as our high temperatures reach the low 70s. Same thing goes for this evening. We could be seeing a passing thunderstorm or shower. Overnight tonight, scattered showers are expected. Low temperatures only falling into the mid 50s. Now for tomorrow, we will reach the 70s around noon, and then this cold front will move through. This is 1 p.m., kind of bringing in a round of thunderstorms possible. And after it moves through, we will drop into the 50s behind the cold front. We will clear clear out heading into Friday. Low temperatures going into Friday fall into the upper 30s. And on Friday, we will be getting pretty warm. Highs are going to be in the low 60s, but there's a possibility of a few more showers Friday late evening. But for today, we do have a high just near 70 in the low 70s. Could be seeing a passing thunderstorm or two as we head into this evening. And tonight, seeing a few scattered showers, a low in the 50s. So for tomorrow, there is a chance of another round of some scattered thunderstorms, highs in the low 70s. We are cooling down a little bit for Friday, highs in the low 60s, and cooling down even more for Saturday with some rain showers, and on Easter Sunday only reaching the mid-40s with mostly cloudy skies. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We are following the aftermath and ongoing suffering of the Ukrainian people after more than 7 weeks of Russian bombardment for many is just simply difficult to understand. NBC's Gabe Gutierrez has more this noon from eastern Ukraine.
Russian forces are pushing to the east just as President Vladimir Putin is vowing that this war will continue to its completion and that it's meant to help the people of the eastern Donbass region in Ukraine. But if you speak with residents here in the outskirts of Kyiv, this town 45 miles away, they just can't accept that. They are absolutely devastated. This is what's left of a kindergarten. It's actually the second kindergarten we visited in the past 2 days that is obliterated. You can see here the playground where more than 100 students would attend classes each and every day. The situation is growing more dire in the eastern part of Ukraine. Over the last 24 hours, there has been constant shelling in the Kharkiv region. At least 22 people wounded, 7 of them killed. Several children are among those who are hurt as well. The situation also growing more dire in the southeastern port city of Mariupol, where the death toll continues to rise. But here in Makariv, again 45 miles west of Kyiv, we've seen Ukrainian forces recovering ammunition that the Russians left behind after their retreat. The death toll continuing to rise in this area, already several hundred. Back to you.
NBC's Gabe Gutierrez reporting from Ukraine. Time for a first look at the weather in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking mostly cloudy skies for today, and temperatures right now are in the 50s. We are looking to rise to the upper 60s to lower 70s for some of us for the high temperature. So let's take a look at our Mesonet cameras across New York State. We are looking at mostly cloudy skies, but some blue skies, some sunshine peeking out. And once again, our temperature is going to continue to rise. We are seeing a few isolated showers, just some passing showers on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there are some isolated thunderstorms kind of moving in from the southwest. We are going to continue to keep an eye out on that. An isolated thunderstorm or two is possible as we head into the later afternoon hours. So scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and tomorrow as well. We are warming up for today and tomorrow, highs in the upper 60s to low 70s for both of those days. But after tomorrow, we will cool down for the weekend, especially on Saturday, highs only in the low 50s, and on Sunday, highs only in the mid 40s. So for today, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies. A passing shower and a passing thunderstorm is possible with highs near 70. And I will have your Easter Sunday forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A 3-month
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 50s, but we are looking to rise to near 70 for the high. So let's take a look at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Pretty dark skies down in Oneonta, here in the Mohawk Valley as well. A passing shower and a passing thunderstorm is definitely possible as we head into the later afternoon and evening hours. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, a few isolated showers kind of moving through the Mohawk Valley right now, but otherwise we are dry, just with mostly cloudy skies. This is once again coming in from the west due to this low pressure system and this warm front. So right here, coming in from the southwest, there is a line of thunderstorms that is attached to this warm front. So it is possible we could be seeing a scattered thunderstorm or two as we head into the later evening hours, along with this warm front, because this is bringing us pretty warm weather. We are looking to reach near 70 for the high temperature today and for tomorrow. Now, tomorrow we are going to be warm earlier, around noon. We will be close to 70, but then this cold front will come through and move through at just around noon, bringing us a round of some scattered showers and thunderstorms once again, and then our temperature will drop into the 50s on the back end of that cold front. Right now, we are already in the 50s. We have 54 degrees in Old Forge, 59 degrees in Cassville, and 55 degrees in Clinton. And we are looking to reach near 70 today, so up in the North Country, we are in the mid-60s for the high temperature. In the Mohawk Valley, just near 70 and even in the low 70s for some of us. And in the Southern Valleys, in the low 70s for the high temperature today. So very, very warm for today and tomorrow. Now for Easter, I know it is a couple of days out, but this is for Easter Sunday. It does look to get pretty chilly over the weekend. On Saturday, we will just be right near 50 for the high temperature. And on Sunday, we will be in the mid-40s for the high temperature. So it is going to be pretty cool on average and cloudy with a slight breeze at around 10 miles per hour. So an isolated shower and an isolated thunderstorm is definitely possible as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Highs will reach near 70. And tonight we will continue to see a few scattered showers and even as we head into tomorrow morning. We are going to be seeing a mix of clouds and sun tomorrow. Then just around 1 p.m. that cold front will move through and it will drop our temperature from the low 70s to the 50s on the back end. And as we can see, there is a line of thunderstorms right here. After that moves out, this is 6 p.m. We do look to fully clear out, and we will clear out heading into Friday. So getting pretty cold overnight Thursday into Friday, lows in the 30s, and then on Friday we will rise to the low 60s for the high temperature. Mostly sunny in the morning and then an increase in clouds in the evening. So for today, we do have a high in the low 70s. An isolated shower or thunderstorm is possible, and tonight a low in the mid-50s with a few scattered showers. So we are going to remain warm tomorrow. Scattered thunderstorms are possible in the afternoon once again. We are drying out and cooling down for Friday, cooling down even more for Saturday with some rain showers, and Easter Sunday, we will only be in the mid-40s with cloudy conditions. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to a story that
And time now for a first look at the forecast. Let's head over to the Weather Center. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis in the Weather Center, and mild day. A little cloudy, but we're holding off right now.
It's starting to change a little bit, Steve. If you're going to be heading out this evening, you're going to want to bring an umbrella. Thankfully, we're not looking at any severe weather, really not any thunder or lightning with this, but it's possible we could see a rumble of thunder as this line of rain approaches from the west. Let's look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I want to zoom in and give you a storm track on where the leading edge of this rain is headed along the New York State Thruway. And we'll track this out in about an hour. It puts it in Westmoreland at 517. Whitestown 527, Utica at 535, Frankfort 552, and Herkimer at 601. Again, this is just rain, but again, a good idea to keep your umbrella handy for this evening. It has been such a nice day so far. Temperature currently at Griffiths of 73, but as you can imagine with the rain moving in, it is going to cool off pretty quickly. Some passing showers tonight, a warm start to Thursday. A cold front arrives Thursday afternoon. This is going to put an end to the very warm temperatures. Cooler weather is expected as we head into the weekend. Again, a passing shower this evening with temperatures falling into the 60s. We are tracking a much cooler Easter weekend. A look at that forecast is coming up. Steve, back to you.
All right, Bill, we'll check in with you.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A very warm day across central New York. It took all the way until the afternoon before temperatures cracked 70, and it is still very warm out there this evening. If you are heading out, though, keep in mind we are tracking some rain, so it's a good idea to keep the umbrella handy. It's not all that heavy, but it is approaching the region. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Mirabido Tower Cam overlooking Oneonta. You can see increasing clouds. We did see some sunshine earlier today, but again, the weather has changed. We are tracking some widespread, but generally light rain. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, it's generally light. It's not something that ought to cancel any evening plans, but it will be moving through the area over the next 1 to 2 hours. We look to the west, there's more activity, even some lightning strikes between Rochester and Buffalo. So it's possible we could see a rumble of thunder later this evening as some more unsettled weather approaches from the west. Another chance for a few showers and maybe a rumble of thunder tomorrow. The overall risk for severe weather is very low, but it's not zero. It looks like the better chance is going to be to our east as the cold front arrives locally early. But still, if you're going to be outside tomorrow, you're going to want to stay weather aware. We're expecting a round of some heavier downpours to arrive in the early afternoon. And again, a good opportunity to download our weather apps. You can continue to stay on top of this if you are going to be spending time outdoors tomorrow. Whitesboro, 72 degrees. Westmoreland, 75. Some very warm conditions out there this evening. Sherburne, Hamilton, and Norwich checking in with temperatures in the mid-60s. Again, keep the umbrella handy this evening. If you're taking the dog out for a walk, it is going to be a warm evening to do that. Temperatures again in the 60s. Tonight's featured dog is Tucker. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by StaffWorks. A cold front will approach the region as we head into tomorrow. We can see it from the west. This is producing severe weather in the Midwest tonight. A round of very strong winds and even some tornadoes taking place in areas like Arkansas and into southern Missouri. This is not going to produce severe weather locally, but it is all tied to the same system, which will be bringing us not only some rain, but also some cooler temperatures as we head into the weekend. Let's take a look at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Tonight, a few scattered showers are possible. It's a warm night. It's going to feel like a summer night with temperatures only in the upper 50s for overnight lows. Heading into tomorrow, it starts out very warm, but a cold front arrives. I stopped things at 1 o'clock, and I wanted to show you what Skycast is doing here. We're looking at a round of some heavier rain, but it's brief. It's not going to last for long. There will also be some gusty winds with this. This moves through the area of between about 1 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then look what happens to the temperature. It comes down quite a bit. We go from 70s to 50s as we head into the late afternoon to early evening. The weather looks nice heading into Friday. Will be noticeably cooler, but sunshine is expected, especially early in the day. High temperatures climb into the low to mid 60s. Tonight, scattered showers. It's very mild, an overnight low of 57. Tomorrow, we're tracking some rain in the morning, falling temperatures in the afternoon, again, an early high of 71. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Temperatures are going to cool down as we head into the weekend. Saturday, some showers, temperatures in the low 50s. Easter Sunday, chilly, 47 degrees. At least it is looking dry, and it's trending drier, so some good news there, but not really the best outdoor day here for Sunday.
Yeah, like we said yesterday, Easter has a little bit of everything, and you can't win them all. Great day today, and like you said, just keep the eye to the sky a little bit. There's always a small chance of severe, but...
Right.
Okay, sounds good. Bill will check in with you again shortly. Well, with inflation hitting a look at the forecast in this half hour, let's head back to the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Bill, good evening once again.
Yeah, good evening, Steve. Pretty nice day today, but the weather is changing. If you're heading out, you might want to grab an umbrella. The rain is not heavy, but it is widespread, and it will likely impact your outdoor plans over the next 1 to 2 hours. What we're tracking here is just a line of very light rain, but as you can see, it goes from one side of the screen to the other. It's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We'll zoom in and show you that the rain is falling steadier across southern Oneida County and into southern Herkimer County. This is moving to the east at about 30 miles an hour. So again, it is expected to move across most of the area. You can see it's not very large. It's not heavy rain. There are some more scattered showers to the west, so we'll be tracking a few more as we head into this evening. So you look at rainfall totals, we're not expecting a whole lot here as we head into tonight as well as tomorrow. Most areas pick up less than ½ an inch of rain. The Storm Prediction Center is keeping an eye on the southern part of New York State for the risk of flooding, but the risk for flooding tomorrow is more likely in the Catskills and into the Poconos. I think this cold front that's bringing the rain will be moving quickly enough where it shouldn't cause any big problems. We're looking at some passing showers this evening. More rain tomorrow. Again, some thunderstorms are possible, especially early in the day. Big drop in the temperature, too. Look at that forecast is coming up. Steve, back to you.
All right, Bill, thanks a lot. We have a few tracks.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. A very warm day across central New York. Temperatures made it into the low to mid 70s across the region. This turns out to be the warmest day since October 8th, where we hit 78. Let's take a live look outside. Our Mirabito Tower Cam shows a change in the sky. We're seeing more clouds compared to the sunshine that we had earlier today. And we are tracking some light rain moving into the region. This is widespread, but it is light. A brief shower is possible over the next 1 to 2 hours as this heads to the east. As we look to the west, where the rain is coming from, I wanted to point out that a couple of these showers are also producing some thunder and lightning in western New York. There's a little bit more energy in the atmosphere here, so it doesn't necessarily mean that we'll get storms tonight, but there is the chance that we could see a rumble of thunder here as we head into tonight as well as early tomorrow. A round of rain tomorrow, especially in the around midday, And then we get a chance to dry out for Friday. More rain on Saturday, and maybe just an isolated shower for Easter Sunday. In fact, let's take a look at the Easter Sunday forecast. I know it's Wednesday, but let's look ahead here. If you're making plans on Sunday, it's going to be cool and cloudy and generally dry. Again, a passing shower looks possible. Temperatures in the upper 40s, so much cooler weather as we head into Sunday. It is warm out there this evening. Norway, Donna with 69 degrees. Jeff and Mohawk 67. Barneveld 68. Boonville 71. Mike in New Hartford with 72. Across Southern Valleys, 66 in Cooperstown. Edmonston 64, and West Lawrence checking in with 67. We are tracking a cold front moving in from the west. This is a slow mover. It's producing some severe weather in the Midwest tonight, but by the time it gets here, it's going to weaken considerably. And so we're just looking at some rain here for tomorrow afternoon. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Passing showers possible tonight. It's going to be a warm night. It's going to be a night that's going to remind you of early summer with overnight lows in the mid-50s. We start out Thursday morning mild with temperatures already near 60 by 8 a.m. Skycast has a cold front bringing some rain, maybe a rumble of thunder to the region around lunchtime or thereafter. This moves through pretty quickly, and then look what happens with the temperature. We drop. It is going to be cooler, much cooler in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures fall into the 30s tomorrow night. And then as we get into Friday, it looks beautiful. Sunny, breezy. Temperatures climb into the low to mid 60s. So cooler Friday, but still generally nice for this time of the year. Scattered showers and mild tonight, low of only 57. Tomorrow, that round of rain around midday, falling temperatures, an early high of 71. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Friday, again, looking nice, 63 for the high. Rain on Saturday, 51. Chilly Easter Sunday, 47 degrees. And then the weather staying unusually cool for this time of the year with highs in the 40s and low 50s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We're tracking the wind, and we're taking a look at how windy it could be as we head into the weekend, coming up at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
Look at your forecast at 6. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis in the Weather Center. Good evening, Bill.
Yeah, good evening, Steve. A very warm day across the region. Temperatures made it into the mid-70s, the warmest day so far this year. Let's take a live look outside. Our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is showing some scattered showers. The activity is generally light, but it is widespread. This is moving across the Mohawk Valley. It has been showing signs of weakening, so a brief sprinkle, light shower possible across the Mohawk Valley this evening as this continues to head to the east. We are keeping an eye on some activity to the west, even a few rumbles of thunder south of Oswego, so we can't rule out the possibility of a rumble of thunder this evening, but I do think most of the evening will be generally pleasant and warm. Our current temperature is 74 degrees out of Griffiths. A passing shower or two is possible tonight. We're expecting a warm start to Thursday. A cold front arrives early in the day, and that brings a round of rain and a big drop in the temperature. We're tracking much cooler conditions as we head into the Easter weekend. A passing shower this evening. In addition to the cooler temperatures, we're tracking the wind. Looking at a couple of windy days ahead. A look at the forecast is coming up. Steve, back to you.
All right, Bill, we'll check in with you shortly.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A very warm day across central New York. Temperatures made it into the mid-70s, the warmest day since October 8th. Let's take a live look outside. We've been seeing some sunshine. The clouds have returned. This is a live look at our Mirabido Tower Cam. We are tracking some light rain. It's been in the process of weakening, but it's still a sprinkle is possible this evening, especially across the Mohawk Valleys. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some heavier showers are fully north. The general direction of the rain this evening is moving from west to east, and so we will be keeping an eye on these. A couple of rumbles of thunder, too, to the west, so I can't rule out a rumble of thunder later this evening and into early tonight. But for the most part, if you're looking to get out and enjoy the warm weather, I think the weather should cooperate. Not a bad idea to keep the umbrella on you just in case. We have changes in the weather, and it comes with wind. Generally breezy conditions tomorrow. Friday is looking windy. Not enough to cause damage, but enough to be quite inconvenient. Looking at wind gusts to about 30 to 35 miles an hour. Breezy conditions expected on Saturday and Sunday. There is the chance of a rumble of thunder tomorrow. The overall risk for severe weather is low, but it's not zero. Looks like the higher risk will be in the Capital District and then into downstate New York as those storms will be moving into a more favorable environment. even if the chance is low, it's not a bad idea to think about having a way to get weather alerts to your phone. An easy way to do this, if you're going to be spending time outdoors tomorrow, is to download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Curtis Corners, 67 degrees. Boonville, 71. Bob and Clinton checking in with 72. John and Schuyler, 70. Across Southern Valleys, Cooperstown, 66. And NJ and Sequoia checking in with 68 degrees. So again, a very warm day across the region. Here comes a cold front. This is going to bring big changes in the weather as we head into tomorrow. We'll track the timing of this as we look at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Some scattered showers tonight. Very warm tonight. It's going to feel like an early summer night with overnight lows in the upper 50s. We start out tomorrow dry, but watch what happens in the middle of the day. Right around lunchtime, this is the cold front, bringing a round of some gusty winds and locally heavy rain, maybe a rumble of thunder too. Doesn't last very long, but as it moves through, the temperatures drop. We'll go from 70s to 50s as we head later into the day. Scattered showers tonight, mild, a low of 57. Morning rain, falling temperatures in the afternoon, an early high of 71. It is a windy day Friday, but it is looking dry and sunny. Temperatures in the 60s. Tracking some rain on Saturday. Easter Sunday, chilly. Mostly cloudy, breezy, temperatures in the 40s, and we'll stay on the cooler side as we look ahead to early next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures in the 50s and 40s. Steve, back over to you.
All right. It is what it is, right?
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, tracking some late rain showers across central New York. The activity's pretty late this evening. It is really warm out there tonight. It feels like a summer night across the region. Temperatures are still at 60 degrees and will only drop down into the upper 50s. A lot of that has to do with the warm air that continues to work into the region and cloudy skies and breezy conditions keeping temperatures from falling. Now, tomorrow, we do have the risk of a few thunderstorms as we head into the middle of the day. The overall risk for severe weather is low, but it's not zero. So this could be another scenario where we just have to keep an eye on things if you're going to be outdoors tomorrow. Again, right around lunchtime or so is when the activity is expected to move in. Again, a lot of this is rain, but again, you could see a rumble of thunder and maybe a gust of wind. Temperatures are going to cool off. That'll be the big story going forward. We get another warm day tomorrow, but we're down into the 40s here as we head into Easter Sunday. Tonight, again, a very warm night, a low of 57, passing showers possible. We are tracking that cold front that rolls through tomorrow. A look at that forecast is coming up. Sarah, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. The Oneida County.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our KAVI Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are looking at pretty quiet weather. The radar is in enhanced mode right now. This is kind of overdoing it in terms of the rainfall, but we are seeing a few scattered showers up towards Old Forge and east towards Little Falls and St. Johnsville. The rest of this, again, is noise on the radar. It is going to be a warm one tomorrow, but when we look ahead to Easter, by the time we get into Sunday, there's going to be big changes in the weather. It's going to be cloudy and cool with a northwest wind and a high of only 47 degrees. We're looking at breezy conditions tomorrow, windy weather Friday, breezy conditions on Saturday and Sunday. This is all due to a pretty strong cold front that moves through the region. Now, the timing of this cold front is poor for severe weather locally, which, again, is good news for us. Heading to the east, there's a better chance of severe weather, especially south of Albany. But again, locally, the storms that we do expect to develop should be just to our east. We may get some locally heavy rain and some gusty winds as we head into tomorrow, especially in the early afternoon. Even if we miss this, which is there's a good bet, it's still not a bad idea to be thinking about having ways to get warnings on your phone, be alerted to when there's heavy rain or thunder and lightning. An easy way to do this is to download our Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Tomorrow, take a look at how temperatures change. We start out at 7 a.m. near 60. It warms up quickly. Unlike today, it's warmest at noontime. It took all the way until about 4 or 5 o'clock before it got that warm today. But then as you get into tomorrow afternoon, temperatures are going to nosedive. We'll be in the 50s by 4 o'clock and onward. We've got a much stronger cold front arriving, and that's what's causing the change. The winds will be picking up throughout the day, becoming strongest in the afternoon. Again, a windy day is ahead. And again, our weather grades dry in the morning, some showers and storms to be contending with as we head into the afternoon and early evening. Radar and satellite shows low pressure working in from the west, lots of severe weather taking place, just a nasty line of strong, violent storms moving through the southeast. Yet again, it's been just an incredibly active stretch of weather here over the past several weeks for the folks down this way. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast again tonight, looking at mostly cloudy skies, passing showers possible. Best chance of rain will be around lunchtime. That rain doesn't last for very long. We'll see a drop in the temperature. It gets much cooler here tomorrow night. And then Friday, it's a windy day, but it's a sunny day. We're looking at high temperatures in the 60s. Scattered showers tonight. It's a mild night. It'll feel like an early summer night across the region. A low of 57. High of 71 tomorrow. Again, that happens early in the day. Cold front arrives. It gets cooler and windy as we head into Friday. Temperatures in the low 60s. 51 Saturday. The bottom falls out on Easter Sunday, only 47. And it stays on the cool side as we head into early next week. Sarah.
Thank you, Bill. The National Weather Service says an EF1 tornado hit Stillwell, Oklahoma this morning. Davis Oil Company was one of the multiple businesses damaged. The tornado ripped off the roof of the company's building. Manager Joyce Campbell was inside when she heard the tornado sirens go off.
All of a sudden I heard a big noise and I looked out and the pump, it took the pump down, and then I heard a bigger noise, so I got under the desk. And then it took the roof off, and it's over there, way over there, and took the door here off, and it landed in there.
Have you ever been through anything like that?
No, this is my first one.
Is it like people say with the sound and everything?
Yes, scary.
The owner of the oil company said the building and equipment could easily be replaced, but they only had one Joyce, and glad that she's okay. Coming up next, Russia, Bill Curtis.
Sarah, we're tracking some very warm weather tonight. Feels like an early summer night across the region. We have a couple of very light rain showers taking place. It's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. But again, a very impressive 60 degrees at 11 p.m. The dew point's 57. Dare I say, it feels a tad humid out there tonight. This is all due to warm air that continues to spill into the region. Today we climbed into the mid-70s for the high temperature. We have a cold front that's moving through tomorrow. It gives us a low risk for severe weather. There is the off chance that we could see some stronger winds with some heavier downpours that'll be rolling through the region as we head into tomorrow afternoon. The bigger story, the temperature is heading down. We're going to get another warm day tomorrow, high of 71, but then we're into the 60s Friday. You can see temperatures really go down as we head into Easter Sunday with highs only in the 40s. Passing shower tonight. Got a very mild overnight low of 57 degrees. We're tracking the timing of that cold front for tomorrow afternoon and what it is expected to bring. Look at that forecast is coming up. Sarah, back to you.
Thank you, Bill. The Oneida County
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. It feels like a summer night across central New York, at least an early summer night. A little bit on the humid side. Temperatures still near 60 degrees. We are looking at dry weather across the area. A couple of very light sprinkles are possible north of the Mohawk Valley this evening. We're not expecting very much activity, at least overnight. We will get a chance to see some rain again as we head into the middle of the day tomorrow. A strong cold front arrives tomorrow. In the wake of that, temperatures are going to drop. In fact, by Easter Sunday, look at this, a high of only 47. It is going to be a sharp contrast compared to the weather we've been enjoying today as well as tomorrow. Again, we're looking at much cooler conditions. It's also going to be breezy as well. Breezy day tomorrow, windy on Friday. The breeze is going to continue as we head into Saturday as well as Sunday. As that cold front arrives, again, it does produce the chance of a thunderstorm. The overall risk for storms is not very high. A better chance for stronger storms will exist east of our area towards Albany and into the Hudson Valley. But still, if you are going to be outside tomorrow, you're going to want to get a way to get notifications on the weather. An easy way to do that is to download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Have a look at temperatures around the clock and check out what's happening. It's going to unfold. Tomorrow's going to unfold very differently than today. Today, recall, it wasn't until about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon before we hit 70. Tomorrow, that's going to happen a lot earlier in the day. We'll see temperatures near 70 around lunchtime, and then it gets cooler in the afternoon as that cold front arrives. The winds will be picking up in the wake of that front as well, so it's going to be a breezy and cooler day tomorrow. We're also looking at wet weather, especially during the early afternoon. This is all coming from a cold front approaching from the west. This cold front is producing some violent storms, a line of wind and several reports of tornadoes and tornado touchdowns across the southeast yet again. It's been an incredibly record active month of severe weather in the month of March, and unfortunately that trend is continuing in April. As far as our local weather is concerned, we're not going to see anything severe in our area. We're looking at temperatures tomorrow starting out in the 60s. Could see a brief downpour around lunchtime, some gusty winds possible, and then the temperatures will fall. It will be a much cooler finish to the day. Cool tomorrow night. Overnight lows drop down into the 30s, and then Friday it's windy, but it's sunny. High temperatures climb into the 60s. Scattered showers are possible tonight. It'll be mild. Overnight low of 57. Warm early tomorrow, and then we'll see temperatures fall throughout the late afternoon. An early high of 71. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Friday, breezy and cooler, 63. Into the 50s Saturday with rain. Chilly Easter Sunday. The temperatures stay on the cooler side early next week. Sahara.
Thank you, Bill. The National Weather Service says an EF1 tornado hit Stillwell, Oklahoma this morning. Davis Oil Company was one of the multiple businesses damaged. The tornado ripped off the roof of the company's building. Manager Joyce Campbell was inside when she heard tornado warnings going off.
All of a sudden I heard a big noise and I looked out and the it took the pump down, and then I heard a bigger noise, so I got under the desk. And then it took the roof off, and it's over there, way over there, and took the door here off, and it landed in there.
Have you ever been through anything like that?
No, this is my first one.
Is it like people say with the sound and everything?
Yes, scary.
The owner of the oil company said the building and equipment could easily be replaced, but they only had one Joyce, and they're glad that she's okay. Coming up next, Russia feels the pressure to